Yo everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a review and a demo of the brand new Studio Fix 24-Hour Smooth Wear Concealer by MAC Cosmetics. So basically it is their latest concealer to be released as part of their Studio Fix collection. I am personally a big fan of their Studio Fix foundation. I know a lot of people aren't because it tends to cause some people breakouts, but I'm not one of those people, thankfully. Now, just an FYI, I've only got my foundation on, my face ain't finished, I look a bit pale, I know, because I'm actually doing a review at the same time as this review, and I've already mentioned that this foundation is a little bit light for me, so just in case the people come with their fingers of saying, your foundation's too light, I know, so I'm just throwing it out there, I know. So, this concealer, oh my god, I'm in love! Oh my god, I have only worn this once, and I loved it so much that I was just like, I have to do a review the next day. Luckily it's the weekend, so I have got a chance to do it. But flipping out, I'm so glad that I got this. I think this is now my favorite concealer. It wasn't that long ago I said that the Too Faced Supreme Coverage, the new one, the Born This Way one, was my new holy grail. But this one has definitely surpassed that. This is excellent. If I could give this an 11 out of 10, I would. It is amazing. There is like literally no con about this that I can think of at all. I'm thinking, no cons at all. So let's start off with the price first. It's $18.50 and it is a 7mm concealer. And it just comes in a very simple, standard, sleek looking tube. Nothing too fancy. We like simple. We like easy to use. We don't like over the board, over the top packaging. Simple in a tube. And then it comes with a very simple and straightforward doe foot applicator. It's in 33 shades, which is excellent. So that means there will always be something for someone. My shade is NC35, which you can see it's on the box. In MAC, I'm generally an NC40 or an NC42. I'm an NC42 more towards the summer months, but that's also when I've been in the sun a lot. I buy NC35, as I have done with all the MAC concealers. I like to have a little bit of brightness under my eye, which is a shade or two lighter than my natural skin tone. So this area is brightened, and then I conceal on the high points of my face to illuminate those areas for light to bounce off of it. And then if you want to use this as a contour as well, you can do. Contouring obviously is for shading and creating dimension, and lighter concealer is for something different. Now, I don't tend to use concealer on my face to cover marks. I like my foundation to do that job. So from that point of view, this is what the concealer will be based on, using it under the eyes to cover up any dark circles that you may have. Now, let me just read what their claims are, as I always do from their website. It says, this lightweight fluid concealer provides seamless coverage, blurs imperfections, and offers all-day comfortable wear. The formula wears up to 24 hours while providing medium to full buildable coverage. Skin looks smoother, even, and selfie ready. It's a small sponge tip applicator, makes it easy to zero in on any area, making it your must-have magic wand. Skin looks fresh and perfected with a natural matte finish that's never dry or cakey. It says its key claims and benefits are: longer wearing, 24 hours. Smooth skin. Non-settling, 24 hours. Non-streaking, 24 hours. Non-caking, 24 hours. Provides stay true color, 24 hours. Oil-free for all skin types. I agree with every single one of their claims. I had it on yesterday for 15-16 hours. And before I went to bed, I forgot I had it on, obviously I was tired. Before I went to bed, I looked in the mirror, I was like, it hasn't moved. It looks fresh. It looks like I just put it on 2 minutes ago. It looked fresh. And that was after 15 hours. It does not peek through any dark circles whatsoever. I know that they have said that it is a medium to full buildable. I would say it's definitely a full coverage concealer. And the reason why I love this so much more than, let's say, Tarte Shape Tape, Urban Decay All Nighter, and Too Faced Born This Way Supreme Coverage, all of which have been previous favourites of mine and holy grail status. The reason why this is better than them is because they are a lot more thick than this. This one is actually not that thick for something which is full coverage, which just goes to show that the intense amount of pigment in here is amazing. That means that you don't need to apply that much product. That means you're less likely to have cakiness and creping because you're not applying too much. It also means that you won't waste this product and go through it quickly because a little bit goes such a long way. Now, in all fairness, I always set my under eye concealer with powder and I would always suggest do that. But from what I looked yesterday, I was like, did I even need to wear any powder? Like, I don't think that I did, but you know what? I do anyway, because you never know. You may be out for 20 hours or something and you don't want to give yourself that chance of being stuck with looking like you've got, you know, age-related issues happening under your eyes. You know, we would like to stay young and youthful looking, don't we? For all skin types, definitely it would work well whether you've got normal, combination, dry, oily skin. I like the fact that it's got a nice matte finish under the eyes, no dewiness, no nothing. It definitely made my skin area under my eyes look smooth. It looked like I have had 50 hours of sleep and I look fresh, I look young, I look great. It doesn't oxidize, which is excellent. It doesn't cake, it doesn't go crepey under the eyes. It's very lightweight, which is one of the main reasons that I love this so much. Sorry, I've just got my own little notes. I also, as well as when I do reviews, I look at what their claims are on their websites and then I make my own little notes in memo. I've written awesome concealer, expensive. Well, I would say for $18.50 for something which is 7ml, that would be considered expensive. But will I repurchase this? Damn right I'll repurchase this because it is that good. I love it. I cannot rave about this enough. I love you, I love you, I love you. I love the packaging. I love that it says 24 hours on it. I love this. I love everything about it. I just love it. It's been such a long time since I have genuinely loved something from MAC. MAC used to be my OG only go-to brand back in the day. 10 years ago, all I used to use was MAC. Then all these other brands came out. MAC kind of got sidelined, you know, too expensive, you know, been there, done that, nothing exciting, until this concealer. Get this concealer. You will love it. Take my word for it. I don't often say go out and get it, get it, get it. I like you lot to like watch my review and come to your own conclusions. But this one is amazing. It blends beautifully under the eyes, which I love, and it just looks great. I can't like shout about it enough. So on that note, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to apply it under my eyes to the high points of my face, and then I will finish off my makeup and finish off my review. Like I said, I will show you on camera. I'm going to set it with the Colourpop No Filter setting powder in the shade Banana. A cheaper alternative or a UK alternative is the Makeup Revolution one that I love. It's only £5. I don't like the Ben Nye banana powder. I find it too drying. I don't like the Laura Mercier one. I find it too white. What else which other setting powder do I recommend? Huda Beauty Faux Filter, but it is quite expensive. So if you're in the US, definitely try this one, which is like $6. If you're in the UK, try Makeup Revolution. Those are my two go-to and favorite setting powders. I may actually do a video on that. It's just giving me an idea. Okay, so the rest of my makeup is now complete. As you guys can see, it looks beautiful under the eyes. It's almost as if I have nothing under there. Like, I can't even detect that there's makeup under there. It's like I can just see the natural lines of my eyeballs and that's it. It fills out everything under there so beautifully. I love it so much. I can't even tell. Did you see how easily it just glided under my eyes? Like, literally just went, there was no snagging, no dragging. It's not too thick, so it glides easily. It blends out easily as well. And I just absolutely love, love, love this concealer. So the Studio Fix 24 Hour Smooth Wear Concealer by MAC Cosmetics gets 2 thumbs up from me. It's an excellent concealer. I think that everybody will really love this. For those of you out there that are a bit on the fence about MAC concealers, because nothing new has come out in so long, you will definitely like this a lot. So on my lips, I'm wearing Plain Jane Plush Matte by Makeup Geek, just for reference in case you guys are wondering. Earrings are from ASOS. Keith Haring t-shirt is from Uniqlo, but it's quite old. And that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you're thinking about getting it or if you've tried it yet. Let me know what your thoughts are below. Other than that, I will see you all in the next video. Bye.